Yeah, bro.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. On this video I'm doing a Birria tacos taste test. I want to see how it tastes. This is some consomme. This is where you dip the tacos in. Got some red onions, and I think this is hot sauce. I'm not sure. Okay, yeah, I don't want to spill it. So first, I'm sanitize mine. I was trying already, but I'm sanitize it. I'm kind of excited. Oh, I'm kind of excited to try this in a way, even though I'm not really a big fan of tacos. I don't eat tacos like everybody else, but my friend posted this like probably like 2 weeks ago, and I'm like, oh, that looks good. And he was like, it's good. I should try it. So I'm like, I'm gonna try it then. So I bought 4 tacos, and it wasn't that expensive. It was like $3 each. So I'm like, let me try it. Let's see what the hype is about. I'm always trying stuff late. I don't try stuff when everybody else try it. How you open this thing? I think I'm... Oh, it's doubled. Okay. Ooh. Go to meat. I can see it. Nice. I think you can see they do it like this. They dip it. Ooh. Okay. Not bad. But it didn't hold that to me. I thought I'm not a regular taco eater or something, I don't know. But it's not that bad. It's not soda. Y'all know these drinks? Alright, I'm gonna try this with the sauce. With this sauce and see how it tastes. A little spicy. A little spicy, not that spicy. Okay. It's good. But I think people was making it out to be a, like, I don't know. They was just overdoing it to me. It ain't all that. Like I said, maybe I'm not a regular because I'm not a regular taco eater. But the sauce tastes really good with it though. I like the sauce with it. Don't need onions. Some of them I see they have the cheese on there. Was actually a cheese. I'm like, never mind. Oh, I got this from Williamsburg. I went to Williamsburg after work to go get it. It's called, I'm gonna put the information, I don't know, I remember right now. It's like a food truck though. It's like a food truck. I think you said you can see it. I'm trying to spell it. I'm just struggling just now. The last time I ate some tacos was like, if I'm not, I think this was some around like Labor Day. What's the Labor Day? 2000, I'm gonna say 18. That's the last time I ate some tacos. I like the sauce on it. It's just good. So, I'm only part of the Taco Tuesday today. I'm not a big fan of Taco Tuesday. But it does taste good though. This right here, it tastes so good. It's pineapple and coconut together. Just look, no calories, no nothing. See, I only got one nail left. It is so hard to come off. I don't know why. Yeah, I took my nails off. I told y'all the side of it. Alright, so we're gonna try this with the sauce. Okay, I'm gonna pour it on there. That's what I should have did before. Oh. Alright, this is the last one. I'm gonna give you a better view of the last one. Okay, I see it. And then you're gonna dip it. I don't know if I'll eat this again, to be honest. Yeah, my meat fell out. People make it seem like it was all that. It's alright. I'm not saying it's not good, but it's not what you say now. It's not Popeye's good, it's not curry chicken good, it's not oxtail good, it's not stew peas good. It's not all that, to be honest. That's my opinion, okay? Don't come for me. It's my opinion. It's not all that to me. So, I be hyping it up. But, yeah, alright, I ate all 4 of them because, so, I got some consume left. I don't know what I'm doing with this. I don't know. But this was $3. No, this was $4. This little thing was $4. He was trying to give me a large. I'm like, no, thank you. But would I eat it again? Probably not. Yeah. This is the end of this video. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And let me know in the comments if y'all tried it before. If y'all liked it, if y'all didn't like it. But I just give my opinion, and that's just that. So, see you guys in my next video. Bye.